Hi everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make the wire bottle holder that for you to give out for a gift for the holiday. And this one I have made the single one before. This one is double, so you can put two wine bottle in one bag. And I use this foam right here. This is one side that you can iron it and it stick right into your fabric, and the other one is not. So make sure you get the right one. I cut this one, so 12 inches by 23 inches long. I cut the interfacing in here too, so one side with this foam and one side with the interfacing. Okay, so I have two same side. The fabric, I have cut the Christmas fabric for the main side of the bed, and this side is 12 and 3/4 of an inch by 23 1/4 of an inch. The fabric is exactly the same of this. Okay, so I have two of this and two of this, and the side of the two fabric is exactly the same, and the side of the interfacing and the foam is same. Every fabric that I got from the store, I wash it, bring it home, wash it, dry, and iron. Sometimes I iron it. If I have time, I just iron and fold, put it away, but no need to. When it dry, I just fold it and put it aside. When I use it, I just take it out. The reason why I wash it, because some fabric is shrink. So alright, so after I iron it, turn into the back side. You can feel it this way, very smooth, and then you feel on this side a little sandy kind of. So the glue side facing the wrong side of the fabric. I turn into this side because I'm going to only use on this side to iron. I don't want to iron on, you know what I mean? So after everything is matched up and you have extra around, you turn this iron down to cool, not high. Just start a little bit at the end right here to see how it's go. Now it stick right into it. You start a little bit, you can see it stick, then you did it right. But if not, and it stick down to here, then you have to flip it. Alright, so go. So this way I don't need to put any fabric on top of it and iron. So do this way, everyone. Iron the whole thing until this foam is stick right into here. Okay, so after this you're gonna go and check on the other side, go around to see if it stick. If not, go back and iron. Okay, now you see it's staying in. You going around like this, staying in. Okay, this side I need to do more, then do that more. Okay, and then after that you come back and I show you what to do. So everyone, now I have ironed those two, this one with the foam fusible and this one with the interfacing. This is for the lining and this one for the man. Here I cut there two handle for the bottle. Okay, this is the one that I purchased online, but you can check online to get the information. You're going to do both, mark 2 inches on each end. Alrighty, so now after you mark at the end right here, you're going to stop at the 2 inches, but you're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to sew this two together in the middle, like right here. That start from here. You're going to sew or fold it together, and sew it all the way. So the end is, when you sew it open like that, that's nicer, and then it's like this. Okay, so go on the sewing machine, you fold as you sew. Okay, you fold and then you sew all the way to the 2 inches right here, and then you stop. So everyone, after I sew on the handle, so the handle of the handles is like this. You're going to fold it in half. Make sure everything line up. Remember, that's the key. This is the lining, okay? So follow the interfacing. You're going to sew the straight line down on the side, and then on this side, follow the interfacing and sew this side down. This is the fold side. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so on each side here, you're going to mark 2 inches. 2 inches. You can hear the sound of my neighbor fixing something. I don't know. Okay, everyone, I have to go on the table. So after you mark 2 inches here and 2 inches here and same thing to the other side, you're going to add the handle. But you see this? This is how it is. This is the sew line and this is the fold. You're gonna fold in this way. Okay, and then you go into the 2 inches. You pin, you clip, or you do whatever you do. Okay, a 1/4 up and end seam allowance. We're gonna sew this. When you do that, after you done your inside out, it's gonna be like this. Okay, the right side gonna face like that. So that's why you have to go this way, like the spoon. Okay. You do exactly the same to the other side, and make sure you pull it all the way down so it won't twist. You see this one? So it won't twist. You're going to move back like this. Okay, make sure side by side and everything it meet up. This is very important to make sure everything line up. Okay, everyone, very important. On the side, you're gonna sew this side, and then on the other side, sew this side. After I sewed it, you can just take the clip on the top. That's what I do. I clip on the top too, so it won't move and everything is staying there. I am going to box the corner. So I'm showing you this here. You're going to do the same to the lining piece. I have cut in here a 1.5 inch square piece, and I go to here the side where I and again, if you iron and the foam don't stay down, you inside out and go into the right side here, and then you start ironing with the low heat. Okay, so same thing, you're gonna do this on one side, get this corner and this corner, hold it, and then you go into sew exactly the same like the other one. So go and do that. Simple thing I don't show you on the sewing machine. Just sew this one. It look thick, but it's very soft and it come down very flat. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything else like thickness or anything. This side, it's humid. It's 90 degrees humid. Okay, so sew this line. So everyone, after I sew on the 4 corners, I'm sorry with the air condition. If you can hear me, I am very sorry. I'm super hot. So I'm gonna cut, and then they leave about a 1/4 inch. Okay. The other side, exact the same. This is good for me. I'm gonna use that for the holiday. Okay, so now I'm going to, this is the men's side, I'm gonna go and inside out this. So I'm gonna face the right side out. It's beautiful. You can use the any Christmas fabric. Okay, and then you make sure you put your hand in the corners and push the corners out. You see this corner? So beautiful. And on this one too, make sure you put your finger there and press it. And now this is what it looked like. So cute. You can use the same technique for the handbag if you like. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to bring this lining piece. The lining piece, I'm gonna leave it like this so the right side of the lining can stuck into the right side of the man. So put this in, stuck that inside. Put your finger in there and make sure the corner go in and everything line up, especially at the side. Make sure the handle, you're gonna stuff the handle inside. Don't let it hang in. Make sure it come right down like this. Okay, go all the way down. This one go inside or between the lining and the man. Don't twist, just make sure the way it is. And go on the side of the sole line. You're gonna make sure it all match up before you do anything else. So the side of the sole line on the lining and the band. Okay, so now I have clip all around. You're going to sew, but you're going to leave on one side here or any side, this side or the other side. You're gonna leave about 4 or 5 inches open, big enough like this. Okay, so now you're going to sew, follow the interfacing, and then you're going to sew all around and leave this here open so you can inside out. Everyone, so after I sew around the top and I left the space open, now you can go, it's a 1/4 of an inch all around, so I don't need to trim or anything. So I'm gonna go and inside out this thing. You're gonna go around, press around. Okay, go around the top and press. Sorry everyone, my space is like limit, so that's why. Okay, so like that, you're going around and then you press all around. When you're done pressing, you're gonna go and top stitch all around this top. after you're finished sewing the top together, if you want to add the ribbon, you can do that too. You're gonna go from here a quarter up and in, you fold the end. So like you can do half an inch where the sew line on the side. Everyone, this is what it looks like now. It's like a handbag actually. Okay, but I'm gonna turn this into the gift bag, the white bottle. So the sew line here and the sew line on the other side, you're gonna hold it together. Okay, hold it together, then you can press. Make sure it line up evenly, side by side and everything. I'm gonna mark the line right where I press. Mark this side. Okay. So now I'm gonna open this up. You see the line that we marked? You're gonna match with the line in this side. Okay. In the middle right here. And then the two sides so nothing move around for me. I just want to get the center. That's all. Okay, so the center line, I'm gonna mark down. From the top where we mark the center, I'm gonna mark down 6 inches. So you go into sew, go to sew, backstitch all the way down to here at the 6 inches. Backstitch and when I finish, it looks so cute. So I sew halfway down to here, so now it's half twin bag. Like you can put 2 bottles in here. Sorry, I just come downstairs to get the bottle. And you have 2 bottles just like that, everyone. And then this handle, you carry this. It's so cute, adorable, easy to make. Everyone can do it. Look how cute that is, everyone. This is 2 bottles in one bag, so it's easy to make. It's up to you if you want to add the ribbon on the top. You don't have to. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you click on the channel membership if you want to support my channel. To join my channel membership by clicking the join button. And I just want to say thank you for the people who join my channel membership. That's how it keep me continue to be here each and every day to share more video with you. Love you. Stay safe, everyone.